Hi children, once again welcome back to Teaching and Learning channel. In this video we are going to do a worksheet about the addition equation. So today we are going to do an addition worksheet up to numbers from 1 to 10. Okay children, now read the question. What is the question here? Count objects, write equation and find the sum. We have to count the number of objects which have given here. And we have to write this addition equation according to the number of objects. We have to write the addition equation. And we need to find out the sum here. So the sum is the result of the two numbers. Okay children, shall we start this addition equation problem? Yes, let us start. Look at here children, there is an addition equation here. In this addition equation, there are two blanks on both sides of the symbol plus. So what is this symbol? It is plus. It is a symbol of addition. What is plus? It is a symbol of addition. What is plus? It is a symbol of addition. So the symbol plus adds two numbers. This symbol plus, it will add two numbers. What is meant by adding? What is meant by add? Add means join or put together any two objects or numbers. Bringing two objects together is known as addition or add. Add means bringing two objects or numbers together is known as addition. So we have to count the number of objects present on both sides of the symbol plus, and we have to write it in the given blank space. Okay, in this space we have to write the number of objects, and the resultant of the addition of the two numbers will be written here. It should be written here. So what is this? It is a sum. On both sides of the symbols, we have to write the addends. We have to write the addends. ADD, END, addend. So here, this is first addend and this is the second addend. The total value of the two addends will be written in this blank. So we have to fill up this blank. What is this? Yes, it is a sum. It is a sum. S-U-M, sum. Now look at this problem. What is the object here children? Yes, you are right. It is a circle. It is a circle. Then how many circles do we have here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. How many circles are there? There are 3 circles. Now let us fill this blank. Here it is 3. So what is the first addend? It is 3. Now what is the second addend? Look at here children. How many circles are there? Yes, you are right. Only 1. We have only 1 circle. Now let us write the second addend here. It is 1. So what are the two addends now we got? Yes, they are 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 is how much? What is the total value of 3 plus 1? Now count the total number of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we add 1 circle to the 3 circles, altogether how many circles do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the total value of the 3 plus 1? It is 4. It is called sum. What is the sum here? Sum is 4. So the addition of 3 and 1 gives 4. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Now look at the next problem. Look here children. Here also the object is a circle. How many circles are here? 1, 2. Yes, we have 2 circles. The first addend is 2. What is the first addend? It is 2. Now we need to find the second addend. Now count the number of circles present here. After the plus, how many circles are here? 1, 2. Here also 2 circles. So what is the second addend? It is also 2. Now the two addends are 2 and 2. So the addition of 2 to the number 2 gives how much? So if we add 2 circles to the 2 circles, altogether how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? There are 4 circles. So what is the sum? The addition of 2 and 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. The sum of 2 and 2 is 4. The sum of 2 and 2 is 4. Children, look at the next addition equation. So in this equation also we have to find the two addends and also the sum. We have to find the sum. We have to count the objects here and we have to write this addition equation. We need to find out the sum. Here also what is the object? It is a green circle. It is a green circle. Then how many circles are here? Only one. Only one. So the first addend is 1. Now look at the second in this group. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 circles. So the second addend is 4. What is the second addend? It is 4. So the addition of 4 circles to the 1 circle gives how many circles totally? After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 1 plus 4 is 5. The addition of 1 and 4 is 5. The addition of 1 and 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. The sum of 1 and 4 is 5. Now, children, look at the next addition equation. So look at this problem, children. Count the number of circles in this first group. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 circles present. So the first addend is 3. Now count how many circles are there in this second group. 1, 2, 3. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3. So what is the next addend? The second addend is also 3. The second addend is also 3. So the two addends are 3 and 3. We are going to add 3 number to the number 3. So if we add 3 to the number 3, then how much answer we get? How much number we get? Just count the total number of circles. 1, 2, 3. After 3, what are the next 3 numbers? After 3, it is 4, 5, 6. After 3, it is 4, 5, 6. So addition of 3 and 3 is 6. Addition of 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. The sum of 3 and 3 is 6. The sum of 3 and 3 is 6. So 6 is the sum. The two addends are 3 and 3. Now look at the next problem. Children, look at the next addition equation. So in this addition equation also we need to find out the addends and the sum. Now count the number of objects, number of circles present here. 1, 2. How many circles are there? 1, 2. So what is the first addend? It is 2. What is the first addend? It is 2. Now count the number of circles present here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the second addend? It is 4. What is the second addend? It is 4. Now we are adding 4 circles to the 2 circles. Then totally, if we join 4 circles to the 2 circles, totally how many circles do we get? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many circles we get? We get 6 circles. So the addition of 2 and 4 is 6. The addition of 2 and 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. The sum of 2 and 4 is 6. The sum of 2 and 4 is 6. Now look at the next addition equation. Children, look at here. What is the number of circles present in the first group? How many circles are there here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the first addend here? 5 is the first addend. Children, let us count the number of circles present here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? There are 4 circles. So we are adding 4 circles to the 5 circles. So if we add 4 circles to the 5 circles, totally how many circles do we get? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the sum? It is 9. So addition of 5 and 4 gives 9. Addition of 5 and 4 gives 9. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Sum of 5 and 4 is 9. The sum of 5 and 4 is 9. Now look at here, children. Here also we need to find out the two addends present and we need to find out the sum of these two addends. Now look at here, children. How many circles are there? Let us count the number of circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the first addend? It is 5. Let us count the number of circles present here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? There are 5 circles. So what is the second addend here? It is also 5. What is the second addend? It is also 5. Now if we add 5 circles to the 5 circles, that means if we add 5 number to the number 5, then what number we get here? What is the sum of the 5 and 5? Let us count the total number of circles present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already 5 number is there here. 5 circles. So after 5, what are the next 5 numbers? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So addition of 5 plus 5 is 10. Addition of 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. The sum of 5 and 5 is 10. The sum of 5 and 5 is 10. Okay children, have you understood how to solve the addition equation problem? Once again, we meet in the next video with another worksheet. Until then, please keep watching my channel. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Kindly give your valuable likes, comments and shares. Thank you all.